Question 21, we want to find the product and simplify. What does that mean by find the product? Find the product means we multiply. We want to multiply x plus 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 4. So my first factor has 2 terms. My second factor has 3 terms. So now what we want to do is we want to use the first term of the first factor distribute to every term of the second factors. So the first term of the first factors is going to be x. Now we're going to distribute to every term of the second factors. X times x squared is going to give me x cubed. X times positive 4x. Positive x times positive 4x is positive. X times 4x is going to be 4x squared. So we want to predetermine the sign before we write down. Okay, now we want to multiply x times positive 4. So x times positive 4 is going to give us positive 4x. So we distribute the first term of the binomial to every term of the trinomial. Now we want to do it one more time with the second term of the binomial to every term of the second factors. So now we want positive 2. We're going to positive 2 distribute to x squared. So we're going to get positive 2x squared. Positive 2 times 4x is positive 8x. Positive 2 times positive 4 is going to give me positive 8. Okay, so next step we want to do is we want to combine the like term. So we got to know where are the like term. Like term are controlled by the variable part. If something has an identical variable part, that's a like term. Now x cubed, I couldn't find any x cubed here. So there's no like term for x to the third. So x to the third, just rewrite. Now x squared, my second term is 4x squared. My 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth term is also x squared. So I know that 4x squared and 2x squared are the like term. So when I combine it, 4 and 2 is 6. What like term am I collecting? X squared. So I get 4x squared. Now let's look at the first degree, the x term. So I have 4x, I have ax. So I can combine that term. So I know that 4x and ax is a pair of like terms. Then I can combine them. 4x plus ax is going to give me positive 12x. Now the only thing left is positive 8. And this is what we call the constant term. And we don't have any constant here. So I'm just going to go plus 8. So when I multiply for this one, a binomial times a trinomial. After I multiply it out, combine the like term, I end up with 4 terms. So now let's go ahead and compare the answer. The first selection is only 2 terms. Second selection is only 2 terms. Now C is 4 terms. So we've got to compare carefully. Is that the answer that I want? So x cubed, 6x squared, 6x squared, 12x, 12x, positive 8, positive 8. So this is the answer I want to select. Okay, so now I'm going to circle the answer I want, and it seems like this is what I want. So that's question 21.